Today we're running the sawmill and we're going to cut some ash logs up that we cut down from a tree a couple weeks ago. So we've got a whole pile of various logs over here. We've got ash logs, we got some fir logs. Some of the logs are too big to fit on the sawmill. This sawmill will take logs of about, it's an OS23 Frontier sawmill, and it'll take logs that are, I think, are about 30 inches wide. So we have to kind of take that into account. When you load the log onto the sawmill, you want to put the narrow end at the bottom and then put the larger end at the top, or at the end. So the idea is to try to get as many straight boards as you can out of here at once. This log, you'll see, isn't very straight, so we're gonna start out by shaving off this part here as flat as we can, then we'll flip it over and we'll shave off the other part, and then we'll start working our way. We'll start cutting logs out of it, you know, boards out of it. We're going to try to cut 1-inch boards today. Clear prop. You did the other one. I don't think you did that one. Right, you did the one. Yep. Come on. Lose this log. There's a name for it. I know. There's our first all the way through. Quite a bit of a dip in that log there, kind of made it hard to get to it, but that's gonna be kind of cool looking wood, isn't it? Yeah. Is ash good furniture wood? What's it good for?
Oh, probably good for
It's good for firewood.
baseball bats.
Baseball bats. Yeah, you're right. They make ash baseball bats, don't they? Good firewood.
Yeah, it is good firewood. You start it over and I'll pull on it.
All right.
It's called a peavy.
Peavy, is that what it's called?
Peavy. I think so. All right, don't go too far. Just lay it this way. All right.
You don't need that now, do we?
No.
Set it over there.
Yeah.
Probably raise these up now. We got these little braces here that hold the log in place. Ones like this, and we've got longer ones like this. So we can just go all the way down. We never have to flip it again. We'll just start cutting lumber out of that. think that's the last board we're gonna get out of here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 5 1x6s ish. It's gonna be nice looking wood, I think. Not bad. We just gotta slat them and let them dry for a year, and then we can use them. And that's the ash tree part of it. The rest of that's gonna become firewood.